Morning, 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 morning. Watching this WDC this morning. Bad earnings. It's already gapping up. I wanted to try to pop it off the 74.58 level. It's already doing it. So let's see what happens. So I'm watching this, seeing yesterday's low, see how it responds towards that yesterday's low to see if I can get it in short. Not gonna rush it on this one. I want to be patient. I'm watching this area. Starting to get a pull here. What I wanted to see. What's that? Let's see if this can pop a little. Seems like we're getting a little tired here. I don't want to rush it just yet. So I'm still watching this one. There it goes. Yep, seems like it wants to go a little bit more. Exactly. This is why I didn't want to jump in it just yet. So I'm just going to be patient with this one. All right, seems like we're getting a little weak here. Come on, feel me. I'm not in anything just yet. That's probably going to pull now. So if I take it here, my stops have to be yesterday's low. See if I can get a nice little pull on it. This is extremely strong, still early. I didn't get it up here. That was the trigger pull. So I'm trying to see if I can get one last pop, try to get it into a trend or something. I don't want to get it right here because this can probably bounce on me. So I'm just going to be patient with it and just wait for that setup. Market is starting to pull here. It's gaining some support. If we take it here, I'm gonna have to go with a smaller size if I'm gonna take it here. Still strong sector. So what I'm gonna do is short it here, and I'm gonna keep tight stops on this. Not gonna give it much. See what I can get out of it. All right, starting to go green on this. Just gotta watch it and still keep tight stops on this one. Once we take out this trend here, I think this is when we get the pull that we're looking for, but we have to keep everything tight right here. Just gotta watch this here. As you guys can see, we got these support levels. So it's just waiting. Just trying to be patient on this. There it goes. All right. Let's watch it here. Watch this level. If we take this level out, I'll be looking for that 49.10 on it. So far so good. There it goes. See if we get one more pull. All right, I'm going to unlock majority of my profits here. And what I'll do is just let the rest play out and see if I get more of a pull out on that one. No need to stress it. I was trying to adjust my levels. I couldn't see it. The screen is pretty far. So I'll just let the rest play out. I didn't get the pop I wanted. I wanted it here, got rejected. It popped more. I wanted this. I wanted it to pull right into this, and that's the reason why I'm cutting this off so early and I took majority of my position off the table, was because once we got that little pop, it popped right into this. It didn't give me that yesterday high. If I would have got it off that yesterday high, then I would have nailed the short there. I didn't get yesterday high, just yanked hard on it. I could have took here and gave that my risk, but again, as you guys know, I'm one of the pickiest traders ever. I like to get my spots and then let it play out. So I didn't hit what I wanted. I was looking for at least a $300-400 profit on this one. I didn't get it. It happens sometimes. There's no need to over trade and force it and chase it. But we'll just see what happens from here. And from here on out, I'm waiting, trying to see what's going to happen here. Need to pop this level right here, break this level. Watch this trend here. If we pop this trend, we can probably pull more. So I'm just watching this trend. Once this level breaks here, we'll probably pull all the way down and fill this whole entire little pop is what I'm trying to get. Just being patient with it now. And the plus side to this, if market continues to pull, I would not be surprised we get more of a pull on this one. So again, this is one of AJ's calls this morning. I was watching as well. He wanted a pop. I thought we would get a pop. Both was on the same levels on it, which was pretty cool. As you can see, so far pretty much I've been trading with Austin calls the past 2 days, so pretty neat. I'm in here trading. He's hyped. They're doing their own little thing. As you guys know, I would probably trade one in the morning, and then I'll come back later in the afternoon and do a couple scalps once everything's set up. I didn't take Square this morning. Square was awesome. I should have took Square. I'm just waiting on this WDC to break this 49.10. Break this 49.10, we should get a nice little pull back towards that 47.58 level. Again, if I would have got it up here, I probably would have left more size on, but I had to take what I can take on this trade. No need to be greedy on it. I'm still getting a pretty good return so far, so I'm not too upset. Careful, guys. If this comes, we needed to break this level. We break this level, we get it down lower is what I'm looking for. So pretty good trade on WDC. All right, so this is how we can trade this now. On the remainder of our position, if you guys scaled out, took some profit, should already took some on this full. What I'll be watching now is just trend here. I want to stay below this one. We gave this level up. Now if we bounce, I want to see a rejection here and go lower. So we'll see how it plays out. Not big returns today, guys. You guys know I'm typically good for one trade in the morning. I try to make some profits and then I come back and play a few more later scalps. I just like to make something in the morning. But 49.10 is the level that you're watching. Don't give it no more than this trend. If it pops this trend, you can probably start pushing back up. So again, just be patient with it. This is what I'm watching. I'm trying to see if I can get this full fill down here towards that 47 level. But we'll see. This is why I was saying watch this level here. 49.10 held up. We're popping it. Why did I take it earlier? Because like I said, yesterday's low popped back up, was struggling, so I nailed it. And I put my stops here to see if I can get the pull. Didn't get that top, but okay. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is where you watch it. Don't listen, book profits, don't let it go too far from you, or your stops, no matter what on this trade, should be 49.62. Don't give it too much more than that. TQ's Bruce point out negative on TQ gives it. So watch this level here, tests this trend here. If it gets rejected, we go back down. If it pops, don't give it no more than 49.62 would be the level I'll be looking at. But we'll see. All right, see, this is the level I was telling you guys watch. And guys, don't be fair. You can always get back in after it sets up and show itself, because this can literally pop all the way back up. So there's the curl. Watch it. If it goes, I'm keep playing with this one. I'm just testing it. I'm green on it. I'm not going to give too much more back, because this can pop. If it pops, it can push higher. So just be careful on this one. I won't give it no more than my entry level. I think this is going to be a little pop right into yesterday's high, and then it's going to come right back down again. So I'm pushing it a little bit here. This is normal with me. I normally try to push it. And the reason why I'm pushing it is their numbers wasn't good on earnings. So I think this is just going to be a little short covering from this. It's going to pop right into these levels and then pull back down. That's just my opinion. Again, I already took some profits. I think we're going lower on this one. I can be wrong, but again, we'll see. So now what I'm going to do is, because we got this trend break, it's been violated. You guys know how I feel about that. So now I get rid of it, and then I draw my trends. And I think we should go down. Again, like I said, guys, me personally, I feel as if the numbers was horrible. I am surprised that they got this pop that they got. So I want to see this probably pull and fade out all day, but that's why I'm leaving the remainder of my shares on the table. I think once we snap this 49.10, we pull even more towards that 47.58. If we take out that lows from yesterday, I think we get a nice little drop on this one. So we'll see. Again, as you guys see, same levels holding up. We need to take out this 49.10. 49.10, we get the pull we're looking for. And then I probably, typically what I do is probably later on, I'll probably go look at AMD, the MUs, and see if I can scalp those and see if I can hit my daily goal in the afternoon. But we'll see. I want to see this come down some more.
Yep. Home sales.
49.10. Pop this. We have some nice little range here, but just be patient with it. I think the first level that we're probably going to have to take out is that 48.97 level. Is once we crack that, I think we get that nice pull towards that 48.66, and then we go back down to that 47 level. Is what I'm watching, but we'll see. Come on. Now just walk this down. Come on, that's it. Trying to get it come down.
EETQ popping.
And there it goes. This is what I'm looking for. All right, we're about to test that 48.65 level. I'm being greedy, guys. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. Now let's see if we can walk this channel. I'll just play the channel from here. How about that? Let's play the channel. See what this channel is doing. There's a pop. So again, this could probably pop, trend, and come back down. Patience. All right, so let's see what happens. Only in AJ room does that happen. But anyway. Oh gosh, it's pretty funny. All right, there's a spike. So this is just me playing around again, guys. You're stressed out. Don't overtrade. They're just steady popping this damn thing. So what I'll do is I'm gonna cover. I might revisit this later. Cause they're just these guys. You guys are killing me. I wanted to crash this 49.10. As you can see, they're trying to hover this level. Once we take this out, take this thing is supposed to be crashing. I don't understand this trade at all right now. Now I'm trying to get it to come down and fade out and make a nice little profit on a small position, but oh gosh. There we go. Now, hopefully these guys don't come in here covering again on me. But I'm telling you, I want to see if we can get it down to this 47.58 level and go from there. Again, it's just we're at a key level, guys. You just have to be patient with the short. You see they're trying to pop it, but it's not popping. I think it's coming down lower. Just be patient. Just there it goes. Come on. See? There, come on, crack it. Just crack it. So what I'm looking for now on this remaining position, if we get to 47.58, what I'm looking at, and it's kind of a stretch, but again, I'm just being patient. If I can break this level, we have so much downside on this towards 44.76 is what I'm looking for. But again, guys, it's just my last remaining position. This is me just playing and trying to see if I can get an all-day fader on the remainder of my position. I'm not asking for much more. I can cover whenever at this point. It's not like I'm going to lose any money, but that's just me pushing the button. Again, missed out on my baby square, but you guys know I'm playing that on the option side, so I'm doing okay with that one. I think AMD earnings is today, so I will lay off on AMD today. It's the same thing again. Come on, snap. Come on, break it, break it, break it. Ugh. So guys, if this pop this, I might just say whatever, done with it. They're not letting this thing break down. It's getting frustrating. This thing should have been just collapsed. I know it's still early, but I want it to come 47.58, but it seems like I'm not gonna get it. Market is still pulling. Looking at the overall market, was still dumping as well. So we'll see. See you guys, it's popping again. It's not giving it to me. So what I'm just gonna go ahead and do, not much gains on this first trade this morning. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna walk away with my profits. They're not breaking it, and they're probably gonna take all day. Come on, can you snap? Will you break? I'm trying to be patient. It's still in my downwards channel. But I know if it pops this channel, it's going to give a nice little pop. So come on, trying to be patient, still in it. So we got support here. This is that trend. I was looking to play it pre-market, but what happened was pre-market it made the run already on me, so I was just patient and played the downside versus playing the upside. So it is what it is. So that channel is my stop. The minute I get a candle closing above that, I'll be out of this. Just being patient with this one. Look at this. Look at these wicks. It wants to go lower. Come on. Just snap. We'll see. So again, guys, I'm watching this trend here. If we pop this downwards channel, I'll just cover my position, but we'll see. All right, I don't like that pop. Come on, can we get the pull? Jesus. And if you look at pre-market, this is pretty much level where it was kind of pretty much basing and stuff. I wanted to come all the way down. Here is what I'm looking for. This level right here is the key level. If we can get it here, we get the nice pull. But I think they're going to like slow grind this down from here on out. It's just not giving us this pull. See, it still wants to come down, guys. You can pretty much see it. There it goes. Come on. We just need to snap this level. There it is. There it is. This is what I'm waiting on. This is what I'm telling you is supposed to be happening. It will come down. Once we break this 47.58, I think we get a nice sell off. Just being patient. That was a quick snap. I didn't cover my position. I should have had a limit order there. We'll see. Man, I'm pissed off we didn't get that snap. It's pretty fast. So that was a nice little pull. I wouldn't be surprised if I start seeing some kind of a bounce here. Bounce probably right back into 49.10, get rejected and come back down if we break this trend. Come on, baby, don't pop on me just yet. Can I get out first? All right, guys, I'm just trying to be patient on this trend. Haven't closed above it, respecting the rules, so we're still in it. We're fighting in here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? WDC, are you gonna come down and keep me in this trade, or are you gonna pop and have me come out early and then I walk away, come back later and see you down exactly where I thought you were going? What are you gonna do? All right, this is the first candlestick above it. All right, what I'm going to do is cover my position here. See what happens. Got to give it a close. Everything now for me is tight on this one. This is where it can pop to if it does start popping, and I will not give it that if I start seeing that pop happening. So we'll see. For me right now is everything is okay. Come on. All right. So for me, everything is tight on this WDC. As you can see, they're trying to defend this level here. I'm pretty sure they know if we break this level right here, this is gone. This is going to crack. We're going to get paid on these little remaining shares I had. So it's just patience. As you guys can see, this is why I have visuals, because sometimes this thing can shaking you out. I have a visual that I'm looking at. I'm watching this channel.
Plus 3.8% on
Can I adjust it? Yes, I can.
deeply as plus 1.
Still above this level. Watch it.
DB consumer confidence 122. Census was 106.
All right, guys, you know what? I'm gonna take my profits here. Because we're not, I know if we snap it, I get paid. This is now keeping me in this trade longer than I like to trade in the morning. We'll take profits. I'm all out. So what can happen here, if we start curling and popping this pop before 49.10, I'm not going to get, but I'm not going to be patient with it anymore. I'm pretty much done with it. This can start chopping around, slow fade. It seems like it's going to give it to you. But me personally, I just play what I play and walk away. So again, guys, I'm done for this morning. That was my morning trade. I'll come back, get a couple scouts in later on today, and then we can go from there. Great morning. I didn't hit my morning goal. It is what it is. As you guys can see, I'm starting to show you guys what my profits are and how I trade. Today I took a smaller size because I missed that first pop. I didn't get it where I wanted it, so I trimmed down my size and took a position. As you can see, WDC is going to probably go down to that 47.58. I'm already out of it. Guys, you guys know I trade for a certain amount of time in the morning. I pretty much hit that time frame. It's 10 o'clock, so I'm done in the morning. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. If I have a good trade or a good position that I see, I'll take it, and I'll go ahead and do a recording and post it on YouTube. Again, guys, take care. If you guys like what you're seeing, please give it a like, give the channel a share, whatever you want. But again, guys, I've been this week, well, for this month, I'll probably be trading with AJ in option calls, and we'll be seeing what we can do. Take a couple of his trades. Just looking for a room that I can have a few traders that I can talk to, bounce more ideas on. Pro option calls, you guys know I'm always in there in his chat room. Well, not chat room, but his Discord room. I love those guys. They're all about having fun. Great convo, and that's the option side of things. So love that room as well. Also have Brandy at Atlas Trading, if I'm not saying that wrong. I hope I'm not, but another room that I stick around and I'm in, and we have great convo in there about trades and stuff. So a few rooms that I like. But again, guys, if you can stay below this levels, you break this 47.58. WDC does have a huge range towards 44.76. But again, guys, I'm done for this morning. I'll be back in the afternoon and see what I can scalp off of counter trends or whatever else that I like looking for. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.